Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, thank you for doing that. And in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this Indomie fascinator. Just look at this Indomie fascinator. You can use a straw mats, you can use it to make this style. Just look at this. So the material we needed for this project, I need my Indomie ads. So this is a ad. I have to cut the upper place out of it. I use a art. So I make it of a heart, and I've already cut the upper place, and this is what I have after cutting it out. And the next thing going to be our steak. Going to be having our further steak. Going to be having our flour. So what I'm going to be working on with this flour, you can use flour of your choice, but I just love this flour. I'm going to be using our Alice band. You can use the small size, you can use the big size. And this is our ribbon to cover our Alice band. And we're going to be needing our needle and thread and our tape rule. I didn't make use of the tape rule, so that's our needle and thread. So I'll pack this aside, and we're going to start the tutorial. So let's get started. And so this is my Indomie. This is my Indomie art. This is called Indomie art. Just look at it, take a look at it very well. If you are seeing this in the market, this is called Indomie art. So the upper cap, I've already cut the other cap, I've already cut it out. I've cut it out. You can still make use of the cap for a little fascinator for your kit. So just look at that. What you're going to be doing right now, you're going to be folding that side. You're going to be folding that side the way I fold it. Can you see the way I fold it together? Just like it has a open place. Just what you'll be doing now, you'll be using your needle and thread to sew it. Just use your needle and thread to sew in and out. Use your needle and thread to sew it. And make sure when you want to sew it, make sure your thread is so thick. Don't use a light thread. Make sure your thread is so thick, so it's going to be easy for you when sewing it. So just see what I'm doing. I'm going to sew that place. I'm going to sew it very tight. So I'm going to use needle and try to sew that part. I'm going to sew it very tight. So that is it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the next part. So the next part you'll be going to now. So you're going to fold the center into two. Can you see? And that is it. And I'm going to take this just like this, and you can make a running stitching. But just see what I'm doing. Just take a look at what I'm doing. So I have to fold the inside just like that, and I sew it. So I sew it just like this. Make sure that part is flat. Just see what I'm doing. So you're going to fold it just like that, and we're going to sew it. It's so easy to do. So that is the down part. You sew the down part, you close it. You use a needle and thread to close that part. Make sure you sew it so neat. So I'm already done with the sewing. Just take a look at it, and it's so easy. So I'm done with the sewing. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'm going to be using my Alice band to cover the back. So I'm done with the fixing of the Alice band. So you can check both of my video on how to fix your Alice band. So then after I fix the Alice band, I still use my ribbon to cover the finishing part so that it's going to be so neat. And that is our flower. Just arrange the flower to, the reason why we're going to make use of flower is we're going to use it to cover the sewing part. So this is called the finishing part. Let's take a look at it. So I'm going to use it to cover the finishing part. So can you see what I made here? So We are done with this tutorial. Just look at it. I'm still going to show you the picture, how the picture look like. It's so beautiful. I love this so much. So that is it, darling. So that is it, and that is the finishing part. So I'm done with this. Can you see? It's so simple. You can rock this to church, just rock it out, just so beautiful. So that is the finishing part. So I'll be sharing the pictures with you here, so you're going to see the pictures so clearly. Thank you all for your love and support. Thank you. I love you so much. So I love you so much. That is it. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. So this is it. And this is so beautiful. Yes, just look at it, just look at it, look at the inside. Make sure you cover the inside parts. Mm. And so this is the finishing part, and this is the finishing look, and this is it. Just look at it. So I'll still be showing you more pictures on this Indomie fascinator, just Indomie hat, just anything you want to call it. I don't know what you can call it, but I just call it Indomie art or Indomie fascinator. So that is it, guys. So let me show you the beautiful pictures. So enjoy the pictures. Bye.